can't handle the truth.
Gotta fix my 80. Went to pull it out of the truck the other day and the rear fender fell off. Forgot to put the bolts in it. Do you need to walk? You want to walk? Chill. Thank you. Thank you. Got the dirt bike tire swing. Gotta love it. Dirt bike tire swinging dogs. Why are you being mean to the baby for? Sounds good. Can you chill? Thank you. Are you done, little girl? Are you done? You're a beautiful dog.